Hello, this is John Gregg with Double G Painting and Contracting. I'm up here today in Tierrasanta on a project that we're just about finishing up on the entire exterior restoration and painting on this house behind me. We started out by replacing a lot of siding and trim pieces, molding and some T111 siding, along with the upper perimeter of the roof there, the fascia, and the entire roof as well was replaced with a Firestone torch down rubberized roofing system. And we're just a couple days from finishing up the entire project. We've been here probably about roughly about a month's time and getting this house completely restored and painted and everything sealed up. But I'm here with the owner of the home, Christopher, and I would like for everyone watching to hear what our client in his own words has to say about our process and the service and the entire project. Here's Christopher.
Thanks, John. Yeah, this house needed a lot of work. We did, like John said, a lot of the wood. The roof was not in great shape, and the whole team, his whole team, very professional. Jack is the project manager, and all the workers that came through as well, because we had a lot of people working on the house between the roof and the siding and now the painting. It's just been a great experience. The house is looking really good, and very happy with everything. So yeah, thank you so much.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Christopher. We really appreciate your business and your time and patience during the project. So if anyone is looking to have a similar service, restoration or painting, or any type of general home improvement, check us out at www.doubleg2010.com or doublegpainters.com, or reach out to us at 619-665-0754. Thank you.